What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over the top 3 stocks that I'm looking to trade in the third week of June in 2018. So for those of you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Stas and I make videos dealing with swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, my philosophies and strategies in the stock market, and I pretty much just document my entire journey in the stock market on this channel. So for those of you guys that are interested in that, feel free to just drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for future content. And let's get started with the topic of this video. So the first ETF we're looking to trade this week is ticker symbol DRIP, and this is an oil-based ETF, and this one trades based upon XOP. And how this works, guys, how DRIP is pretty much priced, whenever XOP is moving up in price, DRIP is going down in price. But whenever XOP is going down in price, DRIP is going up in price. So pretty much why I see value in DRIP this week is because XOP seems to have found its top here at about $44.75, and from there, guys, it's pretty much been making lower highs. The next high we see is at about $42.99, about $43. The next high from there is at about $42.50, and now we see it falling down even farther and is starting to break below the 180-day SMA line. This yellow line right here usually acts as a support level, but once the stock price, once the candlesticks start to break below it, that could, signal a sign of a downtrending pattern for XOP, and that would be a very, very good sign for DRIP as a swing trade. So if we look over here back to DRIP, DRIP is currently at a resistance level, which is why I kind of want to see a pullback on DRIP before I actually take a position in it, because we do see here 8.57%. It had a very, very good day this past Friday. So if we look a little bit closer, guys, we see that DRIP bottomed off at about $5.60 here. We do see that, and it's pretty much been trading between the support level of 630 up to the resistance level of about 730 for the past 2 to 3 weeks. We see that this is a very valid support level as it's been able to hold above it here and bounce, right? And it held above it here as well and bounced there. So DRIP has been able to, keep this channel of about 630 to 730. And what I'm looking for DRIP to do now, guys, is to pull back a little bit closer to this yellow SMA line before I actually take a position in it. So maybe the price target I'm looking at is between $6.80 to about $6.90 before I take a position, in DRIP. And I'm also going to be keeping a very close eye on XOP. So if XOP does continue breaking below this 180-day SMA line and running down, that's going to be huge for DRIP, because DRIP could, reach highs of about $8 to $9 to $10 if that does end up happening. So that's what I'm looking at very closely. We've seen DRIP before consolidate and shoot up as much as it has in the past, right? We see here it was at $17, it shot up to $20. We see here as it was at about $9.60, and it shot up all the way to $19. And it's been creating lower lows for the past couple of months. So I'm just waiting for DRIP to have another one of those, shoot ups, right? And I think that is very, very possible if XOP does continue this downtrend that it's on right now. So that's why I'm looking at DRIP very closely this week. Just to recap, I'm just looking for a nice little pullback on DRIP before I get into it. And we're looking for that XOP to continue the downtrend below the 180-day SMA line that it is looking to do right now. So the second ETF we're going to be looking at is USLV. And this is a silver-based ETF, right? USLV is the inverse to DSLV, which I actually traded on Friday, and I made $200 profit. I posted that screenshot on my Instagram and in my previous video, so if you guys want to check that out or follow me on Instagram, the link is down below in my description. So pretty much why I see value in USLV for this upcoming week is because we saw a huge pullback from $11.48, which happened to be, close to that previous resistance level of about $11.75, all the way down to about $10, where it's at right now. And $10 is very close to that support level that we've seen USLV bounce at and go up a bunch of different times before. So if we look a little bit closer to USLV here, the very common support level for USLV is right at about $9.75 to about $9.80. And with the price being close to that right now, that is why I'm looking at USLV as a very good buy point. And if we look over to what it trades based upon, which are the silver futures /SI, we saw silver futures, they topped off at $17.35. And this is how I made profits on DSLV, because I put money in DSLV USLV. As you know, as these silver futures began to break below the EMA line and start going down in price, and we saw they went down 70 cents in one day. So that was a huge pullback in the silver futures, right? And now they're hovering above that 180-day SMA line. And if they do end up holding above that 180-day SMA line, which would indicate that they're continuing this uptrending pattern that they are on, if they do end up hovering and bouncing at that 180-day SMA line, I will be getting into USLV because it will be a very good, very good buy point, as USLV would have potential from about $10, right, up to previous resistance levels at about $11.50, which offers a 12% potential for profit. But SI/SI, it does have more room to fall closer to this support level at about $16.15. And if it does, break below this 180-day SMA line and breaks this uptrending pattern that it's on, I'm just going to be waiting for it to bottom out pretty much. And that's what I'm going to be getting into USLV as it bottoms out wherever it ends up bottoming out at. And, it starts to form an uptrend and starts to shoot back up from there. So that's what I'm doing with USLV and the silver futures for this upcoming week. So the third one we're looking at is MNST, Monster Beverage Corporation. And this is one I made a video on about 1 or 2 weeks ago, and I'm actually actively invested in this one. This is the only one out of the 3 ones that I currently actually have money in. And why I see value in Monster, guys, if we look back over to the 1-year chart for Monster, we saw that it found its top here at $70, and we saw a huge dip to about $47. And whenever a huge company like Monster that does have positive long-term growth sees a huge dip like this of about 45%, I believe, yeah, 46%, close to 50%, that could be a good buying opportunity if you believe in the company long term, which I personally do with Monster. So we saw that huge percentage drop, and that pretty much just opened up my eyes as a swing trader and a long-term believer of Monster, pretty much to buy this particular stock. And I'm actually actively invested in this one. And I put money in Monster at about $53. And since then, guys, it's just been actively trending up. And this is why I'm going to be talking about it in this particular video. We see here, guys, that it's been trading above the EMA line ever since it's found that low point of about $47.50. It's been trading above the EMA line. It's been trading above the 50-day SMA line. And it just recently broke above the 180-day SMA line. And whenever a stock is trading above the EMA line is acting as a support level, as it is here, right? We see that it's bouncing on the EMA line, and now it's looking to bounce on the EMA line again, and that's why I pretty much just see this as a very good buying opportunity. As it's getting closer to the EMA line. And if Monster does end up bouncing right here on this EMA line, and after market hours it was able to get even higher to about $57, I'm going to be putting even more money into this position because that just confirms it even further that Monster is on an uptrending pattern as it continues to trade above all of these different indicators that we use when we're looking to buy and sell stocks. So that is pretty much what I'm going to be doing in the third week of June in 2018 in terms of my trading. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, the link is down below in my description. I post all my profits there, updates to my channel, call outs, trades that I'm taking throughout the day. All are posted on my Instagram story. So the link is down below again if you guys are interested in following me there. And if not, that is cool as well. And do not trade any of these stocks that I'm talking about based off of my opinion. You have to do your own research when it comes down to investing and trading in the stock market, because that's the only way you're going to become a self-sufficient trader. So hopefully everybody out there is crushing their goals, killing their dreams. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace.